Hello and welcome back to Coin Hunts, Animal Coin Hunt, and I've designated this as Coin Hunt 23. The first two coins are being shown. They are Icelandic 100 Kroner coins. One is from 2007, the other is from 2001. On the front we have a quartered shield with four icons of Icelandic myths and legends, and on the back you have a reverse with the value and also, the lump fish. The 2007 coin had a mintage of 3 million and the 2001 coin has a mintage of 2,140,000. The next one is a 20-cent coin. This 20-cent coin is from Singapore and is dated 1978. On the front you have the value and the year, the country, and you also have two, what I thought originally were wheaters, but I think they're more probably rice thongs, or whatever you call them, that the rice grow on. The reverse, I think, is that way up, is the best way of viewing it. You have a swordfish design. The mintage for this 1978 coin is 4,450,000. This is a Gibraltar coin from 2012. You have the Queen's portrait on the front, and on the reverse you have the rock partridge, 1p. For the 2012 coin there is no mintage that I can find. There are two more Gibraltar pennies coming up in a bit. This one here is from Norway. It's from 1962. It is a monogram under a crown, or crowned monogram. It is from Olaf V. On the reverse you have the value, which is 2 ore. You have the year, which is 1962, and you have a bird. Now the bird I thought originally was a pheasant, but it's not. Let me get that up a little bit. It's not a pheasant, it is actually a black grouse. Now the mintage for this 1962 coin is 6,205,000. We're jumping about a bit. We're going to the other side of the world next. Again we have a portrait of Her Majesty the Queen. I don't know whether I can get any more in than that. There we go. Oops. Mostly a portrait of Her Majesty the Queen. This coin, as I say, is from the other side of the world. It's from the Falkland Islands and it's from 1981. It's a 1-penny coin, and on the back, let me just see if I can look the other way. Wrong way. There we go. We have a family of penguins. With a one go, you have two penguins. You have two main penguins either side of a figure 1. The value for this, the mintage for this particular coin is quite low. There's only 111,000 of them minted. Well, that is the mintage figure I found. Next we have a scalloped edged Guernsey coin, sorry. It's a threepenny bit. And what I mean by threepenny bit is it's the old style threepenny bit rather than the new one. It's from 1956, so it's a pre-decimal threepenny bit. The obverse has the shield of Guernsey, and then on the reverse we have just one Guernsey cow with the value and also the name of the country. This coin from 1956, whoops, let me just get it back up there. This coin from 1956 has a mintage of 500,000. So again, quite low. Now the next two coins I'll put next to each other. These are both Gibraltar coins, 1 pennies. One is from 1995, the second one is from 1996. You have the Queen portrait on the one side, which also has the country and the year. On the other side we have the rock partridge and the value of 1 penny. These two coins from 1995 and 1996, no mintage has yet been released, or I can't find it, so there we go. The next one, there we go, make sure it's the right way up. This next one is from South Africa. You have the coat of arms of South Africa, and the name of the country, and also the year is 1971. It is a 1 cent coin. The value is on the back of 1 cent, and then just to the left of the value and underneath you have 2 Cape sparrows sat on branches. The mintage for this coin is 34,053,000. $1 coin. Next we go to Canada, which again is the other side of the world, is across the Atlantic. It's another small 1 cent coin from 1967. We have the Queen on this side, and then we have a Canadian goose in flight. The other important thing about this is that it's the 100-year centenary of Canada, and this was a special commemorative 1 cent coin that was minted for that year, and the mintage was massive. It was 345,140,645. Now, well, what can you do? The next one is Malta again, and it's 3 mils from 1972. You have the value of 3 and mils, and then you have like a floral vine going around the coin. It is a scalloped edge coin. On the back is the reason why it's in an animal coin hunt, and that is the fact that you have the name of the country at the top. Then you have a honeycomb effect with the B in the centre with the date underneath. Is it? That's a year, yeah. The mintage for this 1972 coin was small. It was only 8,000 coins. Now, this next one there's actually 3 of in this hunt, so let me just put them out. They come from New Zealand, and it's a 5 cent coin from New Zealand. We have the Queen on the obverse with the, and also at that point you'll have the country and the year. These 3 coins are from 1981, 1989 and 1982. On the reverse you'll see that you have the sea dragon or sea lizard, and it's known as a tuatara, and that's Tuatara. These coins are quite high mintage because they're a low value coin that people use a lot. The 1981 coin is 20 million. The 1982 coin is 50 million. The 1989 coin is 36 million. So there's 3 lots of 5 cents from New Zealand. We then go across the Atlantic again. We cross the Atlantic again there, and we go to Canada. We have the portrait of the Queen. We did a 5 cent coin from 1998, and then on the back you have the name of the country, which is Canada. You have the value, and then you in the centre between the two of those you have the picture of the beaver. For this 1998 coin, the mintage is 156,873,000. So a huge mintage. We then have a coin from Ireland. We have the Harp of Ireland. It's from 1993, and it's a 5p coin, and it is an ox. The value, the mintage for this 1993 coin is 89,109,000. Next we're going across down the Atlantic coast. We have a small 5p there. It is from the Falkland Islands from 1998. We have a image of the monarch, which is Her Majesty the Queen. This is a black-browed albatross. Now this is causing me a bit of concern, because I'm not sure whether this is an actual proof. It looks very good for the year, but I'm not quite sure whether it's a proof coin or not. As I say, from 1998, the only mintage figures I could find were for the proof coin, which is 2,500. Now this coin is in good nick, and there doesn't seem to be a lot of scratching on it. So is it a proof? I'm not sure. But the only the only mintage I could get was for the proof coin, which was 2,500. Next, we're going to Australia, just across the Pacific from the Falklands. 1978. You have on the front there the Queen. You also have the country and the year. It is a 5-cent coin. It depicts not only the value in the sense of a you got the 5 cent right in the centre of the animal itself, which is a short-beaked Inchinda, and that's ECHINDA. The mintage for this coin is 25,210,000. And the final coin of this hunt is from Singapore. We have there the value and the year and the country, which is Singapore. It's 10 cents, and it's from 1968. On the back, or on the reverse of the coin, and the reason why it's in this particular hunt is that, there you go, you've got a crowned seahorse. This coin from 1968 has a mintage of 36,261,000. Wrong way. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Right. I have the coins back in the bag, and they'll stay there until I'm ready to flip them and put them into my album, having sorted them all out into date runs. If you've enjoyed this hunt, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would be grateful if you did subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel this year, and you give me the thumbs up and also subscribing to the channel helps with the calculations that will allow me to be put in front of new people who've never seen my work before. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Lastly, I have 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you'll enjoy. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye-bye, and I'll see you again soon. Ta-ra now. Bye-bye.